In this video, I will show you how you can remove multiple pages which has Hello, in this video, I will show you how you can remove all pages which are under Hello, in this video, I will show you how you can remove all the sub pages together including the main page. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to log in our Google site as editor mode, and then we have to click these pages. On the left side you will find three options are there: insert, pages, themes. We need to click pages and it will bring this type of page options. Here you will see all the pages are listed all together. Now we need to remove these two pages including this page. So these two are the sub pages, which is subpage A and subpage B. So we need to remove all together including this main page. So to do this thing, we just need to click this three drop down, not three drop down, three dot, and then it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose the last option, which is called delete. We just need to click delete and it will give us warning. This action will be removed a page this has nested pages. By default, the nested pages will still remain on your site. Undoing will not receive pages, and delete nested pages. We just need to check mark this thing. Then only all pages under this sub page and under this main page it will be deleted. These are the sub pages. That's why it is showing delete nested pages. So if we have multiple nested pages or multiple sub pages, you can do the same way, and then just press delete and everything will be deleted. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily delete the sub pages including the main page from Google site website. Thank you guys for watching the video.